Here's a great example of what we could see for any of the exams. We could see this in relation to a sim or multiple choice questions. However, like I was mentioning, we could say here's ABC company, here's the industry, or here's a prior year. We want to compare how are we doing? Well, understanding that a higher return on equity is better. So we see, is it better or worse? Well, the industry is doing better. Current ratio, a higher current ratio is better. Think about what's in the numerator and denominator. The AR turnover, we want that to be higher because we want to be able to turn our AR into cash much more quickly. The cash conversion cycle, we want that to be lower because with our cash conversion cycle, that is how many days we essentially are using our operations to convert those to cash. And then lastly, the growth rate. Now, a lot of these numbers were pulled from the situations and the examples we did. And you want your growth rate to be higher. Just how quickly is your company growing? Lastly, for most of these formulas and metrics in any of these exams that we take, we can compare how our company is doing against others or, again, industry, competitors, be it in valuation, performance management, working capital, anything like that. Obviously, this is sounding much more businessy than audit. However, understanding these relationships is critical for audit just as well. Now, these are just some of the ratios in this section. Make sure you know each ratio, if it's preferable or not to have it higher or lower. Super important. Make sure you're familiar. Lastly, here, before we get to our nice summary, when an auditor is evaluating conducting analytical procedures in the planning stage, he or she compares current year balances, prior year balances to see if there were any notable differences. To recap, right, what we saw earlier, US auditing standards require the auditor to perform analytical procedures related to revenue. Very important to make note of that there. This is due to revenue being a high risk testing area as there's an incentive to overstate it. Managers want to overstate revenue. That's going to help them get performance related bonuses if revenue is increasing. So that's something you could definitely see in a question. That being said, let's wrap it up and send you on your way. Hey there. Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material. We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.